This is the performance review for week 45 of 2024, which is the week ending on November 8th. Let's start by inputting the starting and ending balances. So the starting balance was the one on Friday, November 1st, which was 30,278. And the ending balance was on November 8th. And the balance there was 31,830. So last week was a very good week. We made $1,500 roughly, which is a percentage gain of 5.13%. And let's input the trades, the theoretical trades. And here are the 5 trades that were done last week. And the theoretical performance was 5.37. Now let's look at a trade by trade analysis of these trades here. So the first one was AVGO, Broadcom. That was a really good trade. We made 8.5% almost. So here's what it looked like. So the system was buying the dip that happened from here to here, and we got in here on Monday and got out here on Friday. And last week was a very good week for the US stock market overall because of the election results. And so that was a 8.5% trade. Next one was BK, that's Bank of New York. There we made 2.3%. And the system was looking at this dip. It was kind of a shallow dip, but it was a dip from here to here. Bought here on Monday and sold here on a Friday. That one was 2.3%. Third trade was Caterpillar. We made 4% on that one. So we bought here on Monday and sold here on Friday. And this is kind of a shallow dip that it was measuring for Caterpillar. The next one is Meta. Good trade, 4.5%. So based on this dip right here, it bought here on Monday and sold here on Friday. And the last trade is Nvidia. Excellent trade. Made 7.6% on that one. So it was looking at this dip, and here's the trade, Monday to Friday. Okay, so let's input the ending balance into the cumulative tab. So after last week's gain of $1,500, our cumulative gain since going live in June of this year, the cumulative is now at almost $5,800, and the cumulative percentage gain since inception is 22%. And let's see how it looks graphically on the equity curve. So this is how it looks. Pretty good. We're at a new equity high. And let's look at the equity curve on a long-term basis. This is the long-term back test from 1994 to present day. And we can see that the upward slope of the equity curve has continued very nicely since we went live in June. Let me zoom in a little bit to show that. So this is the equity curve since 2020, and we went live right about here in June, and there was a bit of a drawdown in the middle of summer, well, late summer in August, and it's made a very nice comeback since then, and here we are at a new equity high. So that's the performance summary for week 45 of 2024. If you want to learn more about this strategy, please visit my website at returnstream.com. I've got a link to the website in the description box below. Thank you.